Let's see how we did. Yeah. Oh my God. Mirror. Mirror! You have to understand the nerves were completely severed, Mr. Napier. Just to see what I have to work with here. How do you get out of here? Just go up the stairs and take a right. I can't find the door! No, it's right there. You just... No, there's a hallway, but the door is right next to the stairwell. Did you see it? There's no light switch! You broke the light down here. It must have blown a fuse. Now just feel around the wall if you can't find it. There's no light switch! Yes, we've covered that. It's clear that the fuse has been blown. The lights are out in the house. You have to feel across the wall for the door. There must be an exit downstairs. Hang on. Before you do that, don't come down the stairs in the dark. You might fall. I'm out of here. Need a little help. Okay, do you want me to come up? I mean, I could try to find a flashlight, but I'm kind of stuck in the basement myself. Are you still there? It's still here. Still there. You still haven't found the door? I don't think it's up here. Look, I'm positive it's the... You came in through that door. We came in through that door. It's there. Just look. Keep looking. I couldn't see when we came through. The bandages. Right. I forgot about that. But here's the thing. Just keep feeling around. If you're... I got it. Okay, great. Oh, I got it. Perfect. It's locked. Okay. Unlock it. You're inside. I need the key. The lock is on the side. Your side. You don't need a key for that. Got it. Perfect. Now, can you get out? I think I left my wallet downstairs. Oh, for the love of God.